Hi, welcome everyone. Today, what I will be demonstrating how to unwrap the UVs. Okay, this is um, my project so far. I have created the elements that would require to make it look nicer, I guess. Okay, first object what I created was barrel. Therefore, let's get the barrel and try to unwrap the UV. I press Alt Q on my keyboard, then I'll show you where the problem areas are. Press M on your keyboard, then it will open up this material slate editor. What it does is it's let you to apply the material and through this material slate editor, and also it let you to edit the material and bring the external texture file to your object. Let's get the standard material. See, this is a material slate editor. I double click to get the standard material, then make sure I have select the barrel in this side, then right click top of the material over here, then assign material to selection. You can't see anything happening here because my object color and the material color the same. Therefore, double click, then it will open up the editing area. In this area, let you to edit the color and specular level, glossiness, softness. You can edit all sort of stuff in this area, this editing area. Okay, as soon as I click the diffuse color, it will open this box. Then see, as I'm changing the color, it will change the material. Okay, that's how it's work the material. Then let me to get the checker pen. There are some maps available in 3ds Max for us to utilize. Let's see. Okay, if I grab this marble mat and I can connect into the diffuse color, I can connect to any of these, but to see it really quickly and understand in a lowest level, it's just apply it to the diffuse color. Then you can't see even this material applied to the object. You can't see the changes. To see the changes, click the material and then click the show material on a viewport. As soon as you click, you can see the changes. So here, what I'll do is a bit harder to see. I can see in here. I double click the map. I'll increase the tiling. I increase the 5. See, now you can see the changes. Another important thing you should understand, the material can apply to the 3D object directly, but maps can't apply. Maps always has to go through the material. See this link, click this one, click this little circle, and you can connect to any channel you want. Okay, maps can't apply directly to the material. Map always has to go through the material, and then you can apply material to the object. That's a little bit of introduction about how the material does work. What I'll do, I want to show you to unwrap the UVs. What I'll do, I'll get the checker pattern, just this one, and connect to the diffuse color and double click. Then I change, see in here, hopefully you can see, in the tiling area, make sure increase the tiling by, I just go equal numbers, then you can create when you edit the texture, you can create the similar size squares all over the object. Okay, then if this not appear on your object, make sure click the material and select this one, show material on a viewport. Your object should look like this. Okay, see my texture is being stretched, and they not like a proportionally divide this checker pattern, not like evenly distribute throughout my object. That's because of I haven't unlaid the UV. To unwrap the UV, what you should do, go to the modify, then make sure you in the top of the hierarchy, then click this little arrow and find the UV unwrap UVW modifier, click it. Then if you want to have a look at the unwrapped version of the UVW modifier, go scroll it down, then you can see edit UV, click open UV editor. As soon as you click open UV editor, it will open up this little window. This is the edit UV window. This is the unwrapped version of my barrel. Okay, if you are like, it's depend on this version, this unwrapped version, like object to it's will change. It's not the exactly same like my, it wouldn't be exactly same like mine, your one. Okay, it's depend on how you model. Therefore don't worry about that. If it's not look like my unwrap, if you can uncheck this button if you can't see it properly. Then I'll show you how to unwrap this one really quickly. Alt W to go to the 4-view port. Then what I'll do, expand the unwrap UVW modifier, select this one, select the faces. Okay, then I want to select all the faces on top. It is over here. Okay, make sure I'll show you what happened. I select all the faces. I thought it's going to select all the faces, but it does not, because I have unchecked. I go to uncheck this ignore back facing. If it is there, it's going to ignore the back facing. Okay, let's do it again. I uncheck that ignore back facing button, then I'm going to select all the faces. Have a look at it. I have successfully select all the faces which is belong to top. Then what I would do, I apply the projection. I'm going to apply the planar map. Let me open up the open UV editor, which is look like this. Now I'm going to apply the planar projection. That is the best match for this one. Have a look. As soon as I apply, it's create the shape of this selection. Okay, that's the first unwrap of this lid or part of this barrel. I want to move this guy away. I got to do first deselect the projection by clicking it again, then it will let you to move. If then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the bottom lid. Okay, like that. Then check it up. I have selected all the UVs. Then what I'll do, I'll apply the planar projection. So have a look at this one. Okay, scroll it down, then you can see the projection. Apply the planar projection. As soon as you apply, you can see the shape appear on your edit UV layout. Then I want to move this guy away, but it not let me to do it. Make sure you turn off the projection to move this guy away. Okay, then I want to select all the outer surface of this shape. In my UVW editor, I can select like that, because I know if this is the top, this is the bottom, whatever left over there is should be a outer surface. Okay, make sure you select all the polygons over here. If you select edges, you will let you to select all the edges. If you select vertices, it let you to select all the vertices. Make sure you in this mode, polygon, then drag a box, then apply the projection, which is this one, should look like this. Okay, sometime what could happen, I'll show you, but in this instance it came nicely. Okay, sometime some of the part of the like the polygon scale, like this part could be came to this side or whatever. It's not look like a rectangle shape. It wouldn't look like a rectangle shape in some instance. What you should do, just rotate the projection in your 3D viewport. As you rotation the projection, it will fix it up automatically. Then have a look at, I have unlaid the UV. Now what is left for me is I wanna like match these black and white boxes evenly. At the moment, some places are stretchy, some places are it's not distributing evenly. What you should do, I can adjust this one in my edit UVW. Make sure you click this one, select by element. What it does, it let you to, if you click this one with the polygon selected, it let you to select the polygon. You make sure you have deselect the projection. Okay, otherwise not let you do anything. Okay, make sure you delete. If you apply the projection, make sure you deselect it by selecting it again. Then it will let you to select them. Make sure you have turned this guy on. That's very important. It will let you to select in one click. Then I'm in a free transform mode. I hold down my control key. It will let you to scale it down proportionally. Then I can move. Same thing in here. Hold down the Alt key. I reduce down. See, just match the black and white boxes as much as you can. Like doesn't has to be exactly same size, but to your eye, just match them briefly. Then I'm going to select the outer surface. I want to match those black and white boxes, like a size of black and white boxes, to this area. What I could do in here, if you hold down the control key, it not let you to match it. It will reduce down proportionally. Therefore, don't hold down the control while you're dragging. Just move it. Just scale it down without holding down anything. Then it will let you to match them proportionally. I guess this would be a good start. Okay. That's all good. Once you're done, this is my UV space. See this rectangle? That is my UV space. You can turn off this checker pattern over here. Okay, this is my UV space. You got to move all bit and pieces to this space. Okay, you can move it manually like this, but there's a really quick way to move. It's all over like that. Select all of them and click this button, custom pack custom. One click, quickly jump off. That is the basic of unwrapping the UV. We use this barrel to understand the basic techniques of unwrapping the UV. Okay, stay with me. I'm going to unwrap the UV for rest of other stuff. Then along the way you will be able to learn a little bit more. We'll be able to dig into a little bit more about unwrapping UV. Okay, thanks guys.